Our story starts in the United Kingdom, where Ali Abdaal was pursuing his medical degree at the University of Cambridge.
It's kind of surreal seeing you in Cambridge.
Well, you know,
It's like things to work.
I was here for freaking 9 years. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Hello, daily vlog.
Oh yeah. This is where we're hanging out for the day.
In his free time, he began creating educational YouTube videos to help fellow students. Little did he know, this would be the inception of a transformative. Ali's content struck a chord with viewers, and his channel quickly gained traction.
Like to have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And that's really got me thinking. Like, I've been pondering this for a while. Like, how does it feel like to have 1 million subscribers on YouTube? And how has it felt over the last 3 and a bit years of churning out content week after week?
His passion for teaching and his unique ability to simplify complex concepts into easily digestible lessons made him stand out in the crowded educational YouTube space.
Now, there's 3 levels to this framework. If you're new to making videos, and in this context, I'm starting a YouTube channel with 0 experience, completely from scratch, we're gonna start with level 1. Level 1 is get going. And this is like your first 3 videos. Now, if you're starting completely from scratch and you have 0 experience, then a huge hurdle that holds people up from starting a YouTube channel is actually just not getting started with the thing in the first place. So what I'd be doing is I'd just be making 3 videos. Maybe they're shorts, maybe they're videos I don't even edit. Maybe I'm just making them on my phone and speaking to the camera and uploading them to a new YouTube channel. I would create a channel, create maybe some channel art on Canva or something like that. And this is kind of like the first 3 dates that you go on someone if you're in the dating world. You know, you're kind of getting to know them, you're seeing if you vibe. And in those 3 videos, I'd get some pretty good insight into how I feel about making videos. I'm gonna be absolutely terrible at it because, like with any skill, it takes ages to get good at the thing. But at least at the start, I've made some kind of effort in doing it. Like, for example, if you're watching this right now and you haven't yet started a YouTube channel, I suspect the thing that's holding you back is probably overthinking. I suspect it's probably overthinking about your niche. What the hell do I make videos about? Why would anyone watch my content? Will people at my job respond poorly to the fact I have a YouTube channel? All of that overthinking just gets in the way of people. That's why level 1 is to get going and just make those first 3.
As Ali's subscriber count grew, he expanded his content to cover a wider range of topics, including productivity, personal development. He also covered book summaries. His charismatic on-screen presence and relatable approach attracted a diverse audience.
I've read dozens and dozens and dozens of productivity books and loads more on Kindle, but this is quite a lot of stuff. And so in this video, I want to break all of these down into a 9-step framework. These are the 9 steps that I've personally distilled from all of these different books and all the research I've done. And if you just follow these 9 steps, these are the main things that are going to absolutely move the needle for your own productivity. All right, step 1.
Ali's commitment to consistently delivering high-quality, valuable content not only solidified his status as a trusted educator, but also paved the way for additional revenue streams. Beyond YouTube, Ali Abdaal ventured into various entrepreneurial pursuits.
Is it important that we just go for a topic or you just explore? Like for yourself, because doctor and like tech.
Yeah, it doesn't really go together.
Ali's story of success isn't solely reliant on YouTube and MedicMind. He expanded his income streams by authoring ebooks, developing online courses, and participating in affiliate marketing. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening ride. If you have a creator that you want to see featured, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating documentaries.